Hello, my friends. Today is Writing Wednesday, so we're going to be writing 3 words that you might hear and see during spring, and then draw a picture for each word. So let's go ahead and write the first word. The first word we're going to be writing is spider, because you might start seeing all these little insects and spiders come out during the spring. They weren't quite here when it was cold in the winter, but now they're going to start coming out. So let's write the word spider. What sound do you hear first? Spider. Letter S. So we're going to start with our letter S. Up, down, and around. Sp, p, p. Letter P is next. Now our letter I. Spy, d, d, d. Letter D. Then a letter E. Curve around and come inside. And finally, our letter R. I'm going to make a straight line down, come back or up with a curve on top. So now you guys get to draw your spider. Now I'm going to make the head first, and then the abdomen or his body. Now remember, spiders had how many legs? They have 8 legs, so I need to make sure that my spider has 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, spiders can have more than 2 eyes. They have many eyes. So for my spider, let's see how many I can draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my spider is going to have 8 eyes. Spiders also have fangs, so I'm going to draw some fangs right here on the top. And then spiders also have spinnerets. This is where their silky webs come from. So here's my word spider, and then here is my picture of a spider. Remember, you're drawing your spider however you want. Now I'm going to erase this because we're going to go to our next word. And our next word is going to be tree. Now for our spring tree, what kind of leaves are we going to have? We're going to make green leaves because now that it's springtime, everything is going to start growing. But let's write the word first. T, t. What letter does it start with? Letter T, so I'm going to make my T. Next is an R, down and a little curve on top. And tree has 2 letter E's in it. So I'm going to draw 1 E and then 2 E's. Here's our word tree. So now we need to draw our tree. I'm going to take some brown and draw the trunk of the tree. Make some lines inside to make it look like the tree bark. But then I'm gonna have to make the leaves green. So I'm gonna make some little swirls for my tree. Because in spring, everything starts to grow green. The flowers start to grow, the leaves on the tree start to turn green, the grass. Everything starts growing in the spring. So here is my spring tree. All right, friends, I'm going to erase this one and let's move on to the last word that we're going to do today. My tree doesn't want to erase. It wants to stay there. All right, there we go. Now it's erased. All right, my friends. So the last one we're going to write is rainbow. Because in spring, especially in April, you start to see a lot of rain. Because in order to make things grow, what needs to happen? It needs to rain. Everything has to grow with water, and rain provides the water for everything to grow. So let's write the word rainbow first. What letter do you hear? Rainbow. letter R. So I'm going to make my R. Next is an A, then an I, rain, letter N, rain, B, then an O, and last but not least, a W. Now we have the word rainbow. Now remember, in a rainbow, there are all sorts of different colors in a rainbow. So I'm going to start making my small arc of the rainbow and start going from there. When do we start seeing a rainbow? After it rains and when the sun is in the sky. That's when you can see a rainbow. So I've put orange so far, and yellow, and green, and I have blue. Then I'm going to take some red. And then finally, purple. All right, so here is my rainbow and the word rainbow. Remember, you can draw your picture how you want, but here are all of our words, and make sure that you draw a picture for each word. All right, my friends, I'll see you next time. Bye.